So knowing where you are on the Stribeck curve can greatly impact the life of that bearing. But typically we don't look at it this way, right? We look at other means of measuring that bearing in terms of um, velocity, movement, and things like that. So when we look at that film thickness, there is an ideal location. In fact, what I've learned is that you don't want to be at that bottom of that curve, the lowest point of friction, because it doesn't leave much room for error. In fact, where I have that word friction is ideally where you want to be on this Stribeck curve. You want to have, in between. You still want to be in the mixed regime, as they call it, but you don't want to be, because the way up back to the boundary of mechanical, that's where a lot of damage occurs. So knowing where you are in the Stribeck curve can truly reimagine how you look at bearing lubrication.